Okay, Brad McConnell back, taking a quick look at this print. You can see we've got the infill still coming in very nicely. You can now see the walls being built up on that inside diameter. You can also see the contours there. We've got 3 of them going around and 3 going around on the outline of the inside diameter. You get a better idea and feel now for the infill. This stuff here, I just broke some of it loose. I hope that doesn't mess me up. And you see the height of that. So pretty soon we'll be coming up and then, sorry about that, coming up and hanging over. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up here when I hit that because I didn't have very good adhesion. Remember, I had trouble with not getting enough glue stick down. So I'm going to restart this print. Hopefully it kicks right back in and we're okay. I might have to change the setting for the build plate, maybe turn it up a little bit. We're at 60 now. Okay, we'll be back in a little bit to take a look once we're covering here and building the tower.